Hi guys, my name is Rebecca with Pasture to Plate Montreal. We're in the car right now on the way to Brome in the eastern townships of Quebec, and we're going to meet and talk to Meagan Patch of Patch Farms about sustainability and why she chooses to raise her grass-fed beef this way.
So I'm gonna take you guys into my mom's backyard. There's a big pig. She likes to rub on people.
Okay. How long have you guys had the property for, like your family?
I'm the 4th generation.
Hi cows.
I had them separated and they all like jumped out of the corral. Is there a piggy in here? Is there a piggy? Piggy, 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 piggy. That's Petunia. Hi, Petunia.
Hi, Petunia. This pig loves you.
Pain in the butt. So the herd is really small right now. We used to have like over 200 head of cattle when my dad and my grandfather were running the farm.
Okay.
And now, right now there's at least 15 calves. And 10 I'm keeping over for myself to finish on pasture next year. I don't know if they'll have to do another winter. We'll see how it goes there. Usually it can take up to 2 years to grow a beef cow on pasture to slaughter weight.
How long would that take on grain?
It would take 18 months.
Wow, that's crazy. Is it detrimental? How detrimental is it to the cow to eat grain instead of pasture?
Well, the thing is with cows that they're ruminants. So cows are designed to eat forage like hay type products and to ferment them in their stomachs. And they can extract a ton of like energy and nutrition out of grass, which not a lot of animals can. So they're kind of special in that sense. But then when you put them on grain, especially grain mixes that contain a lot of corn,
right,
you acidify the rumen, which isn't normal. Yeah. Not to mention that there are negative side effects for the animals. It's just crazy. Like everything is like rush, 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 and push, push, push. And we're just pushing nature, to the point where we're just making everyone sick. Us, the animals, the environment. Like this. One of the things about pasture beef is that it's kind of a two-prong kind of thing where you've got to take care of the land and make sure that they have enough to eat and that it's nutritious forage that you're providing them with, but you've also got to have animals that perform well on that forage, and not all beef cows have been bred to thrive on pasture, like since everything became more industrialized.
Right. Do you breed the cows yourself?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you raise them from calves?
Yes.
Cow society.
That's the nicest thing about having a herd. Like some people who don't like the idea of farming because, the animal rights issues, which those are things we have to stay on top of. When you have a herd of animals that you reproduce, these girls are permanent. Like, all of them.
They're so
You gotta
cute.
know her. You gotta know them. They're individuals with their own little personalities. So that's our Jersey bull.
Hi.
And for sure you have to know your breeds and know the Jerseys, they're surprisingly, they're tough. She stayed outside all winter. And they're set up. They have shelter. We put bedding in, and out back the cows have shelter. But they're incredibly hardy animals. Incredibly hardy. And you need to make sure that they have access to the things they need so that they get to choose when they're outside. When they're inside, all the time there's a whole other batch of issues. There's temperature and humidity and space, and the footing is important, and there's all kinds of stuff that comes with keeping animals indoors all the time. And they're much healthier when they're outside, So I'm just gonna go close the gate.
Look at their mom, they couldn't be more loved.